In a bid to restrict their deadly virus Ebola, the Supreme Court has asked the Union Government and Civil Aviation Ministry to take steps at India's international airports to keep a check its entry through passengers coming from abroad. While speaking to media persons, Supreme Court lawyer Jayaprakash Dhanda said the Apex Court directed the centre to provide medical facilities at every international airport so that people suffering for Ebola could be given medical attention at the point of entry itself. Meanwhile, a large contingent from Ebola-affected Liberia landed in the national capital on last Tuesday, and around 13 Indians are suspected of carrying the virus. But later on, they were all given clean chits by the authorities.
The court has given a notice to the different respondents like the Union of India, the Home Ministry, External Affairs, Civil Aviation, and to the different states where the international airports are there, so that the passengers coming from the infected countries where Ebola epidemic is there, they are screened well at the international airport. There are no arrangements at the international airport as of now for screening of such passengers coming from the infected countries. So therefore my petition is for mandamus direction to the various authorities, respondents, to direct that the screening arrangement should be there, medical facility should be provided at the international airport, so that infected passenger from the infected countries suffering from Ebola should not sneak in the country India to affect our citizens.
The lawyer also said the top court showed concern over the virus as there is no treatment for the disease.
This is a very serious disease. Once it affects one citizen, it will spread because there is no treatment for this disease, this epidemic. Internationally, it has been declared as an emergency in every country. In many countries, the flight have been restrained. Flights are not going to these countries so that the flight may not pick up the infections and may affect their citizens.
Powered by NNIS.